Hey guys, this is Bryan with Abrasive Technologies. Today we're looking at this chrome piece right here that we're going to be sandblasting and wet blasting at the same time. We're going to be masking this off, showing you guys the difference between this process as we're going to be using aluminum oxide, and let's see how it turns out. Hey guys, this is Bryan, back at it again with Abrasive Technologies. We just got done blasting this chrome piece right here. We did two processes with this piece right here. We did wet and we also did sandblasting as well. I do know out there in the market, you guys do have a preference. Which one is better? Listen, both got this process done within 10 seconds. Both process worked phenomenally within this process of stripping off this chrome. I mean, it did such an amazing job. I mean, to do this under less than 10 seconds really says something about both processes in general. And the best part about it is we offer both of them at Abrasive Technologies. We have wet blast cabinets that's ready to go out the door, as followed with sandblasting as well that's ready to go out the door. But give us a call. We're available 24/7, 365. Our callback number is going to be 828-202-5563.